Damn, one of them little fuckers over here was kind of fucking me up. Guess I'll leech. Ed, how come I'm dog shit at this game, man?
I don't know, but I am getting absolutely fucked right now.
I had to buy
I forgot how to build my dude too.
I think you just did a lot of crit, if I remember correctly. We need to look for a trial of the mountain.
Yeah.
I feel like
I need speed though.
Yeah. I haven't gotten any white items, bro. All green.
I got 2.
You would think that movement speed would be like a green item because, you know, movement speed's like typically pretty good.
See, it would make sense, but
actually that'd make it worse for us because you should be getting more
white items than green items.
Yeah.
You like Leonard Skinner?
I like Freebird.
Oh, okay.
Freebird,
I feel like there's a big joke in there somewhere.
I got the crown of fragility or whatever it's called.
I forgot about that.
That's all I was gonna say. All right.
You weren't gonna.
You like this cock in your mouth? Is what you should have said.
Yeah.
I mean, you can hit him with a dick joke. It's not that bad. You just can't talk about it.
The only thing I'm gonna hit is you.
I want to hit keep back. I'm like, shut up, bitch.
Whoa.
Make me a sandwich.
Rosie, relax. Why are you so hostile, bro?
I'm not hostile.
Who did he just?
You're wild. He just told us that he's gonna beat his wife.
Oh no. Meatloaf better be seasoned. Then better not be cold.
Rosie, please no, Rosie.
Rosie.
Can't.
Rosie's gonna go through 3 divorces, I can already tell.
And he's gonna be like, she knew I was joking.
And guess what?
Yeah, she didn't
every
get-
time.
Why didn't she understand I was joking?
When I beat the living fuck out of her. Jesus Christ, Rosie.
I told her when we first started dating, you better make them potatoes seasoned and not cold.
Officer, if
Why the fuck are these goddamn potatoes lumpy? Bitch, come here.
Oh my god,
Thank
no,
God.
Rosie.
Rosie's practicing, bro. He's already there.
Rosie, no.
Hey, JT, how many items do you have?
Enough. What?
Do you need more white? I've got more white items over here. Too late.
No, I'm good. I actually want to get some crit.
Oh, I found a trial of the mountain. Perfect.
Damn. That is crazy because I was just thinking, I'm pretty sure we've searched this entire area.
You're huge. Thanks for that save.
Did I save you?
Yeah, I almost lost a ton of cash there.
If you want to head to the thing, I'm gonna go play this fucking Trial of the Unknown. Unless you want to play it too. But I'm gonna waste all my money on this. If you got 61 coins, you can hit it. If you
I'll
want.
give it a shot. Oh, and I got it. Nice.
You're nuts. Alright, where's the thing at now?
It was in an open field. I think it's over there somewhere. Oh, it's over here. Why are these fucking potatoes lumpy, bitch?
Oh no.
This is fucking medium well. I asked for a medium rare.
Rosie.
He definitely came so.
There's another thing over here. Here, GT. Green item. Green item. Is that a red item? Oh no, it's orange. A green item. Up on the hill.
What is that? Oh, an orange item.
Over there.
I don't really know what I need from this. The feather gives me another jump, right? Yeah, that's actually
Mhm.
huge right now. I'm gonna turn this into a tricorn, so then that way,
Okay.
if I think there should only be 2 bosses, but if there's 3,
Yeah,
we
there
can
should only be 2. Are you ready?
yeah.
Oh, there's 3.
Oh shit. Alright.
There we go. I got 1.
Yeah, let me go pick up the tricorn. I already killed 1, by the way.
I think we don't. I don't think we use that one. We wait until.
I think you're wrong. Well, actually, I can't use it, so yeah, you're right.
I got the empathy cores.
Okay, please don't take my yellow.
Ahoy! Did you get your yellow essence yet?
You can have this yellow item. Well, not mine, but the one that's here.
Yeah, the one on the floor.
Because I'll be able to get another one at the next boss. There we have it.
Oh, there's drones over there.
I'm gonna take the lightning. Take the ukulele. Damn, there's a box over there too.
Don't send us through yet.
Which is the one that shoots you forward?
The quail, the wax quail.
I'll head back to the thing. Are you ready?
Let me do one more quick search. I feel like we didn't get all the boxes, but oh, yep, found one.
We have spent 10 minutes on this, by the way.
Okay. You can pull us. Ahoy.
Kanye calls for Kanye West and Bianca to get arrested. Oh,
Shit. Okay.
Oh, there's another lunar thing over here, JT, if you want it.
yeah, I'll take it. Hey, there's also a thing right there that you can get a tricorn out of.
Perfect. I gotta get some moolah, though.
However, the next yellow is mine.
That's fine. Young moolah, baby.
Brittle crab.
Walking on the street with them
Bro,
J's,
I need-
call me jaywalking.
I need better, or I need more white items, man.
Young moolah, baby. Dude, there's a ton of fucking chests right here.
Ain't no money to be had, though.
I know.
Uh-oh.
Do you need a white item? I have some over here. I just opened this chest if you want
I
it.
mean, you can have your items. You take your items, I take my items.
Bro, the white chest loot over here is insane. Ahoy.
Oh, wait. We are kind of running low on, or running behind on the
On time.
Hoy bots. Well, on that too, but also
Oh,
typically by now we have a Hoy bot.
yeah.
That's never good.
It's never good. We gotta speed it up. Get some more Ahoy bots.
We need more Ahoy bots. I need a more Ahoy.
I need a more Ahoy. Oh, I found a Trial of the Mountain. Yes, sir. Do, 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 do. The music's always so great in this game.
I don't play with the music.
You don't?
Am I weird for that?
No, I don't think so. I just think it's pretty solid. It's pretty solid, I feel like.
I mean, if I'm up
You don't want to listen to music to the... It's fine. But I like listening
There's a
to the music.
tricorn here.
Do you want to open this purple item? Because I have the brittle crown.
I can. I also have a little friend.
Oh, you do? Okay, never mind. I got it.
I forget what even purple items I like to take.
I usually like one-hit crits. Like the glasses.
Oh, I take the ukulele. Polyloop.
Oh, that's right.
That's my favorite.
Oh, Trial of Blood? You know what's crazy is that we have the brittle crown, right? The Trial of Blood requires us to lose some health. The money that we get from the Trial of Blood is like canceled out.
Yes.
You probably get 1 coin, maybe. Oh, another trial. Oh no, that's the... I thought I found another Trial of the Mountain. I was like, damn.
Oh, you already have the ring already? You have the fire ring?
I have the what?
You have the fire ring already?
The what?
The fire ring. The like thing.
Oh, I have the ice and fire ring. You're supposed to use them in tandem. Sorry. Yeah, you know what? You're right. The music is kind of loud.
No, look at if you're not cool, like you don't chill, you don't vibe with the boy. That's...
I have it set to like 9%.
Actually, I do think I have it on. I can faintly hear it. I think I have it set to 1%. Like ever so slightly, I can hear it.
Wait, did you get a poly or did you get a fucking orange item from the Shrine of Chance?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Alright,
wild.
I think we're ready to take the trial or the thing on now.
Yeah, hold on, let me
Are
get
you
there.
still Are you still finding shit?
No, I'm ready.
Okay. Yeah.
I got the other one.
Nice. Alright, there's one more up here.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I kinda
He's
gotta,
doing that thing I don't like.
I gotta dip out for a second. Back here. One second. What is hurting me?
It's the Dune Strider.
Oh, yeah, he's fucking me up.
Got him.
It just felt like it was doing more damage than it really was. Did you already pick up your yellow?
I picked up mine, yeah.
Okay.
I got the other, what's it called? Orange item. Oh, we get 2 green items per, I think. You can have the third one. I think there were 5 green items.
They need to make that little clay thing an item that you can get.
You can. The Clay Dune Strider?
Oh yeah, you're right.
It's the yellow one. It's the one that sucks health if you're like near them.
Yeah, I actually should have picked that up. I think we're ready to go off rip here.
Yeah, go for it.
We need to catch up a little bit. Because at 50 minutes in, I'm out.
Bug. Bug. We gotta hustle. We gotta hustle with some bustle. Ooh, lunar coin, eh? There's an equipment item over here. If you want to buy it for the shotgun. I found the shrine back here.
Probably will want to buy it for the shoddy, but I need to get my funny up. Or I need to get my money up, not my funny up.
Gotta get your funds up.
I think I said that wrong.
You gotta get your money up. Gotta get your honey up.
Let's go with the health thing. I think I need some more health. No, he took all my money. Damn, Ed's been up here. Ed's been everywhere.
Ed's a
been
looter.
everywhere.
I'm a looter from way back.
Goblin. Goblin on balls and shit.
Hmm. You told me to speed it up. That's exactly what I'm doing.
Oh, I got a red. Where's the crit one? Oh, there it is. Critical strikes are way more. I love that for me.
Are you talking about the purple glasses?
No, talking about the. No, I'm not talking about the purple glasses. Sorry.
There's a crate over here if
I
you
got a
want
red
it.
item out of a box.
You're insane. Okay, you don't get that item then.
Would you guys rather die because of the heat or die because
What?
What did
you guys rather die from the heat or die from
Rosie, you keep cutting out.
said would you rather die from the cold?
Bro, I cannot hear him. He keeps cutting out.
Die from the heat or cold, I think.
Would you rather die from the heat or die from the cold?
If you die from the cold, your body thinks that you're dying from heat, so you'll actually, like, undress yourself when you die from cold.
Oh, damn.
Also,
Part of the whole
by
hypothermia
dying from
process.
Heat, by dying from heat, do you mean I am burning to death, or I just get so hot I dehydrate and die?
Like it's so hot, like you're in Death Valley.
So you dehydrate and die.
Yeah.
I feel like the easier way to go would be cold. I feel like hypothermia would be easier. Maybe I'm wrong.
I don't know.
I don't know. Hypothermia is like a shitty way to go.
I mean, so is fucking going out into the desert and dehydrating to death. You would seize up and
Yeah,
have a heart attack.
that's fair. You are correct. I'm gonna go start this thing, GT. You ready?
Yeah.
Or actually, go down in here. Oh, you haven't gone into the little
did.
tunnel yet, have we?
I did. There's nothing.
Oh, you did.
I didn't find any chests. Ed, you're still yellow item. Fuck.
What's that? Oh! We got multiple yellow items. So you got a yellow item from your boss, and then a yellow item from the shrine.
Did you already get one?
I did. I got 2.
Okay.
You're supposed to get 2 as well.
I'm gonna take the Mired Urn. There's an ice one of these little fuckers. Just chilling. I think there's a couple of chests over here that just drowned on the edge of the map.
Yeah, over in that direction. I pinged it. Ahoy!
God damn. Off my dick.
Don't go through the teleporter yet.
No, I'm not.
There's like 3 chests over here, JT, if you want them.
I need.
Do you know what Temu is?
Do I know what is?
Temu, T-E-M-U.
Yes, do not use it.
I think it's a scam. I was about to say. What's your thoughts on it?
That they use child labor in China. And I'm pretty sure the app is a spy app again.
What is Temu?
It's like Wished, but for your mobile device. Did you get that other crate, JT, in the water?
It probably is.
Oh, you're insane.
TikTok sponsors it.
I sponsor TikTok, so
Yeah.
You tick these talks in your mouth.
I already talked this tick in your mouth.
Mm.
Mine. Oh, you rat
Too late.
fuck. I need my polyloot or this whole build's fucked.
This one doesn't have a polyloot. Do you want to try it?
No, you're good. If it didn't have a polyloot, what is this? Oh, this is the fucking
Trying to
Travis
combat?
Yeah. These little fungal fucks are hard hitting.
Yeah, I don't fuck with these things. I hate them.
They heal like a lot.
They heal, but they also die.
You picked up that purple item, right? I'm not taking it.
I didn't. You want it?
No. If it's not the polyloot, then I don't.
Oh, that's fair.
It's the last purple item I think I need.
Oh, the red item in this map is mine. I call dibs.
Not if I beat you there.
No, you have a red item.
Yeah, not if I
Just
beat
kidding.
you there.
Yeah, that's fair. I keep stealing the red items anyway, so.
You have red items?
No. I'm just saying, like, in the previous runs, I have definitely stolen a couple of red items from you.
Well, what happens is every time we get red items, I die. And then I don't get to pick them up because I'm over here being an idiot trying to accept them.
Ahoy!
I was about to ask, how the fuck are we supposed to get up top?
Multiple ways, but that's one of them.
Head thinks I know all the ways to get up top.
I think I'm better than you.
Damn.
I'm just gonna shit on you. Oh!
Should have guessed though, the rat little head.
I just got froze. My dick and balls got frozen.
Oh yeah, if I freeze, I die. Like, I just,
Really?
yeah.
Why?
Oh.
Wait, do you have something that fucks you up?
No, it's just every time I freeze in this game, I die. Like, immediately.
Oh. I see what you mean.
I bought a drone.
Oh, thanks for helping the team.
Took my entire fucking gold.
Was it a savior drone or whatever it's called?
No. Didn't even cost that much. I just had no gold. I have nothing on me to fight. It's taking every bit of fucking
Dude, I've literally not touched a single crate this
No, 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 no,
entire round.
You're taking all the people to kill. I don't.
Uh,
That's because you're trying to get that red item, huh?
I am that fella.
That's fine. Let's just take every other item. Oh, this Shrine of Chance is taking me for everything I'm worth. Just so you know.
I don't fuck with those anymore, dude. I have such bad luck with them.
It'll only be one more, and then it's not one more. It's all of them.
You know who aged well? Kate Blanchett. Kate Blanchett, she's bad.
Oh, I also fucked up my build at the very beginning of the game.
No.
So, you can pick your utility, right? Your shift key. And I accidentally picked, instead of a 3-banger, it's a 1-banger attack. And it fucking sucks. I kind of missed my 3-banger.
You picked the wrong item. Or you picked
No,
up
I
an
didn't pick the
that
wrong
was-
item. I picked the wrong build.
I need shit to attack. If only there were a way for them to. Oh! Was that the red item, or did you just get lucky as fuck?
Huh? No, I opened the red item. It was only 3 grand. I thought it was like 5.
Yeah, I thought it was more. Maybe that was because when last time I got it was on like a like a later world. I don't know.
No, this one's usually like 10, I thought.
Damn, I need a ukulele bad. I need a polyloop so fucking bad. Damn.
Damn, you've taken a lot of chests, dog.
Yes. I told you, man. If you're saving up the
I know.
I'm taking all that shit.
I know. I'm just saying, like, you've pretty much cleared it all out.
This is the thing. I don't know if you... to do it. But
You want to just start it? I'm starting it. Damn. Did you use a thing on it? You're insane. Go get your yellow item. Ping.
I'll let you put green since I took that.
Dude, I feel like they updated the game because I have 13 ukuleles and I have hardly seen my fucking proc. I've seen it. This is like the third time I've seen it.
I'm seeing a ukulele a lot, and I only have 5. Right. Maybe I'm seeing yours a lot. I don't know.
All I'm saying, it doesn't
I
feel
also
like it's
they
actually doing anything.
Typically have more items by now.
They just announced they're making a Red Dead Redemption 3.
Yeah.
You heard?
Yeah. I mean, with a game that does that well, they kind of have to. It'd be stupider than not to. But
I
like,
love that
Should I
game.
get Red Dead Redemption 2?
Oh,
Play
dude,
it.
it's my favorite game of all time. It literally is my favorite game. Of
I
all
would
time.
wait for it to go on sale at this point, though.
If it's on sale, get it. And it's so good. Such good lore.
It goes on sale on Epic Games Store quite often. Actually, I have it for free because it went on sale, or it was free on Epic Games Store. at one
Mm.
point. It's kind of old now, right?
Yeah.
Came out in
Don't
2018.
pull us yet. Don't pull us yet, JT.
I'll still play. There's this girl on White Team I'll play with. Her name's Lance. We'll play together.
Oh. Rosie's got a girlfriend.
That's what I heard.
Actually, no. She's not my girlfriend. She was Delgado's.
Damn.
Into that?
We're friends. Well, Delgado's my best friend. I was very good friends with, like, I am still good friends with Lance. Because, like, she was like, when they broke up, she was like, well, because Delgado's my best friend, but she was like, well, just don't make it. I still want to be friends with Jackson. That's what she told Delgado.
Oh, so she's into voyeurism. Got it.
Yeah. I am talking. She's just a bitch. Don't fuck no, like, how do I say this? Bros before hoes.
She's a bitch.
He said, "How do I say this? Bros before hoes."
How do I
That's what
say
I said.
this any other fucking way? Oh,
How do
Reggie.
I say this? I respect my friend more than I respect her. No, bros before hoes. All right.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a whole ass chest up. Oh no, never mind. You already opened this. Oh my god, bro. JT, I got a white item. I'm so fucking annoyed. I hate this,
I'll
bro.
tell you
This
right
is.
now. What do
Hey,
you
do you
have to?
remember Do you remember Wells? Not
I.
our Wells, but Wells.
White girl?
Huh?
Wells. Hello.
JT,
Wells,
you can pull us.
the 17th.
Me? Are you talking to me?
Yes.
Yes, Rosie. I've talked to you about this. You told me
Right.
about him.
Yeah, but did you know that that Jesse's wife was his supervisor? I forgot to tell you that. Not that it mattered, but I forgot to bring that up.
Is he weird?
No, he's a good
No,
guy.
he's a cool dude.
He's very, very, very good dude.
Yeah.
Wait, who joined? Was that
This is
Alonzo Burger?
so
What the fuck?
Sub Zo.
Alonzo Good Burger? Home of the Good Burger?
Alonzo of Good Burger. Give me some of that good burger.
Where the hell is this coming from? Why my fucking name?
All I did was say hi. Oh,
Did I do something? First name is crazy.
I
The
don't,
whole first name?
I don't think
Yeah,
you
the
did.
whole first name.
How about the whole? How about the whole shaft?
Mm.
Hmm, that's
He
crazy. I
said,
bet.
actually, you know what? Yeah, I did do something. Hey,
What do you do?
there's another item over here.
Oh, finally.
It's a big tricorn guy. Oh, there's a void item somewhere. I need poly.
Bro,
What's up, bro?
no, this game is like frustrating me.
It's kind of fucking him a little bit. Like, he likes it. It's just...
Dude, the white essence is stuck right on top of the used tricorn, so I can't click on it.
The white essence.
Yeah. The cum. That was a wasted $800, bro, for no fucking reason. I hate this game sometimes. Do you need help with this, JT? Ooh, a red item?
Did this fall already? Yeah. No, it's not the fucking right thing. Is there another one?
What?
Is there
Another one, what?
Still not the right one. Damn, we're getting fucked.
Your build's fucked, isn't it?
It is. I mean, it still hits, but the poly loot, I kind of need that shit. Isn't there typically more than like one per player?
No, that would have been... If there was more than one, it would have told us that there are more monsters to kill, unfortunately.
Fuck. That's tough. I mean,
Because remember how we were having issues with it one time, and it was because there was like... They're all counted for the same orb or whatever I'm talking.
yeah. Damn.
Ooh, I found an Ahoy drone.
I gave a attack speed boot, but I don't know. I can't talk. It'll be alright. Attack speed boost item to one of the equipment drones.
Tip it's on the table.
Oh, so you're built like that, is what I'm hearing.
Guys.
At this point, I'm gonna start taking flat damage reductions. There can still be a little purple thing on the map though, right? Somewhere.
Where?
Like, there can still be a purple item, but it just wasn't in the void area. It's possible.
They usually. Oh, yeah. I see what you mean.
Is that possible?
Yes.
I shall look.
We'd have to do a lot of searching, though.
No! Oh, I saw that.
Do you want crates, JT, or no?
I'm opening items.
Okay. I feel like I'm taking a lot of items.
Yeah, but you're also a bitch, so yeah.
You're correct. Because I have 16 ukuleles.
Rosie, don't you dare fall asleep in here again.
I'm not. But I probably should get going because I am tired. Alright, guys. I'm gonna go to bed.
Good night,
Good night.
Rosie.
Good night.
Ahoy!
I have run out of things to open it. This is bad. My polyloots aren't clicking.
Did you not get your poly loot?
Nah, that's weird. I actually didn't get like very many purple items. These fucking things spawn on me as
Ooh.
something great.
I got a yellow item. Bleeding enemies now explode. That's kind of big.
Yeah, that's actually pretty huge.
Now I gotta find something that gives me bleed damage.
The
Isn't-
dagger thing is bleed.
Isn't it a red item?
No. No. White. It's a white item to like make sure basic attacks bleed, like a 10% chance.
Oh, the needle looking thing, right?
Yeah. Dagger.
Tri-tip
I think it's-
dagger?
I think it's a dagger. Yeah. Yes.
Yes, sir.
I'm ready to start it. I think we've opened everything on this dookie fucking map, by the way.
Okay. I gotta find a way to get back up to you, though.
Bed.
Alright, I'm starting it. Ed.
I'm on my way. I'm coming, but also on my way.
Mm.
That one's dead. Oh no. Oh, I got froze. I thought that was gonna be
Ooh, that was...
Hold on, where'd the other one go? Oh, it's behind me.
We're not worried, we're not worried, we're not worried.
Oh, this is actually...
There we go.
Did you get kind of torched by it or what?
The first two I did, yeah, but not the last one. I fucked the last one in the ass. You can have the... Oh, 2 yellow, 2 green?
Yeah, we'll split them. Did Did you already get the other yellow and green? Fuck!
No.
Please don't pick up this yellow. These fucking things fuck my ass.
I got one green and one yellow.
Yeah.
Is that it?
Yeah, one green, one yellow. I don't know what I said, but I started getting fucked when I said it. So. Ahoy!
Ahoy! Ahoy! Wait,
Um,
if that equipment drone used it, then where's our fucking yellow? So you took my yellow.
no. There
Then
were
where
two-
did... There were 3 yellows then, because that equipment drone had a full tricorn.
Oh. It could have
Oh.
used it on one of the other little enemies around.
Oh, it did. It did. Now I remember because that I did drop. Sorry, one of the enemies I killed earlier, who was like a boss for the
You ready to
teleporters.
go?
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't want to say that you're trying to make me out to be a criminal.
But that's exactly what I'm doing. So get fucked.
I don't like
Yeah.
it.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
Oh, okay.
See ya.
Bye, Dad. Yeah, you're also way faster than me.
Yeah. Get fucked. You loony boony.
Buy
See-
one burger for the price of 2 and receive a second burger absolutely free. What?
That's typically how most buy one get one things go. They raise the cost of it to be the price of 2, and then they say, "Oh, you get 2 for the price of 1."
So they, yeah, okay. Fucking retarded.
It's just how companies scam you.
Man, you've been letting this happen. Stop them, man. What do you mean, eh?
Companies wouldn't do it if it didn't work, you know. Where's Ed? No, Ed's gone. Okay.
I'm all the way at the top already,
Yeah,
brother.
You're a pussy, bro. Don't talk to me, Ed.
No, I'm just trying to get you this lore right here. See, this log. See that commencement log? Yeah.
I have.
You didn't have that before. Now you do.
I don't fuck with you, Ed.
Just kidding. You had that. I've gotten it 5 times already, so. Yeah, you fucking idiot.
This area is typically where I get my ass beat and I die.
Correct. Oh, this is just the one that gets smaller.
If you stay out of it, it like gets bigger, but it goes down. By the way. I know.
Mm.
You probably don't give a fuck about me or anything that I do.
No, I don't. Ooh, eek! Bro. Those things are spicy, those little ball things.
Well, yeah, if you fucking stand in their flames for like an S.
Oh, you're dead. You're absolutely fucked.
Do you want to go over here to where all 3 of these are, so we don't have to waste a bunch of time, or do you want to go?
Yeah, where are you?
One of those secrets. It's cool. I double click on the phone.
Oh, this guy will fuck. By the way. Oh, never mind. You one shot.
He will not.
He has 1-shot potential. Just so you're aware.
It's tough. So do I.
Well, you're just also a bitch, though. So.
Oh.
Ooh, would I be fine with losing 3 green items for 1 red item? Or 5 green items for 1 red item? I think so.
Depends. Hopefully those 5 items are like all of the fucking ukuleles. If they were all ukuleles, that'd be hype.
And a couple of them have to be.
Yeah, get fucked.
Ah, I stood in the flames for a second too long. I'm not dead. Things got a little crazy for a second. keep forgetting that this one pushes you out if you don't jump.
Hmm?
This one, like, just throws you if you don't jump.
Are you going to get that or no?
Yeah, I'll do it once. Okay,
They're all ukuleles.
that's nuts. Alright,
I told you. What do I got?
I got the critical strike thing because I have a crit build going. So now my critical strikes deal 200% damage.
Mm.
There was another one over here, right? Or are we done? No, we gotta go. Oh, it's over here. I'm blind.
I think I'm gonna get 5 more.
You're nuts.
I just lost my
Oh.
double jump. That's fine.
I'm dead.
No, you're not.
I
You're
could
not
have
dead.
very well been dead. Oh, it took my double jump? That's tough. I didn't realize that.
Oh no! It took my rings. That's okay.
He beats cuts.
Not having a double jump is crazy tough.
See, the thing is that my character already has a double jump, so that double jump is just an extra jump. Yeah. You didn't know it was built like that, huh?
I did not. Alright, now we gotta go up top.
Mm-hmm. Over there. I'll see you over there.
It's so toxic, bro.
I am.
It's literally like. This might get a little
What?
hairy for me, Ed.
Hey, if anyone knows while keeping it unclassed, what
Hold
the
on,
fuck
hold
am
on,
I?
no. Wait till I put
I'm not.
something on.
Don't talk about it. We don't talk about it here.
I don't know what it is.
Don't worry about it.
I'm just fucking confused.
Don't worry. If it helps you at all, just know this is probably the most I'll be able to tell you. They owe me an apology.
Oh,
Yeah, they do.
he said,
They,
he said, yeah,
they do. They do. I ain't gonna lie. I would tell them that too, to their face.
No, I'm not. I'm gonna wait and see.
Here's a big fucking box of I told you so.
That's okay. I'm not getting that. That's for sure.
I don't feel like I'm critting right now. I don't feel like I was critting on the boss, but maybe I was.
I don't feel like I was either. Ahoy!
Maybe he's just tanky, bro.
Bro, is it just me or didn't these like lunar chimeras die instantly if you had like the thing? The glasses? Or is it because they're part of the boss that they're not like
No,
eligible for the insta-death?
I think they used to die, by the way.
We got 3 minutes and 22 seconds.
Oh, until I get lagged out.
Yeah, or until I get kicked out. Oh, dude, you almost fucked me. Oh, he is fucking me right now.
No, he hit me.
Oh, oh, dude, he hit me right on the nose. I didn't get hurt. Ahoy! Uh-oh. Look out.
That's crazy.
Uh-oh,
Get
he's
off
about to
that
stand right
suck.
next to him.
He's about to suck up all my cocks. I mean, all my.
Yeah, you know what you meant.
I'm getting back our equipment drums. Alright, I got back most of my items.
Alright,
Here.
we got it back. We got it back. Don't worry. That was easy. That was
Weird
easy.
name like that.
I'm crazy like that. Now we gotta get out of here.
Oh, our shit's eating our ass.
Dirt, you bitch. Okay, bitch.
We can just leave it. Let's go. Oh my god. All the way on the other side is crazy.
They spawned me pretty far away too, and I'm not that fast anymore.
Who is it? Is that Rosie?
Rosie, I'm still recording.
What's up, pussy?
Oh wait, no, that's Strano.
I know. Starno.
It sounded like a Rose, like literally the yawn sounded like a Rosie from like a mile out. Just running on.
Did you go to work today, Drano?
I'm recording.
Okay. Penis enlargement pills.
Now that I'm into.
Yeah, I know.
Where are you, JT? Oh my god, bro.
It
You're a mile and a half
literally
out.
It literally put me on the complete opposite side of the map, and I don't have a double jump anymore. I had to do all that shit myself. But look, I'm here now. Bro, if I had my poly loop going, bro.
Would you rather have penis enlargement or ball miniaturization pills?
Penis enlargement.
Can I get both?
I want both.
That would be a
It's a
disturbing
choice.
image.
That is a choice.
I
need
want
both.
peanut-sized nuts and a fucking sausage-sized fucking penis.
Yes.
You know?
Drano wants the bratwurst from Costco sized wieners.
Bro, what
Yeah.
Looney Tunes dick.
I want my dick as thick as a tire. You
Oh
know?
my god. Yes.
Bringing a whole new meaning to the term rubber.
Yeah. Damn.
Rubber. But I hardly
I
fucking know.
hardly know her.
Ahoy! Ahoy!
Ahoy.
Simps ahoy, ahoy.
Ahoy.
Get it?
Those balls gonna be the size of bath beads.
Penis. Pee pee. Poo poo.
What I like to hear.
Mm-hmm. Damn right.
The fuck? Me sharing a bed with two guys. I dreamt someone beat my meat last night. Guy two, same. Me who dreamt about skiing.
Oh god.
What the fuck?
Oh, I needed to skip this. Skip it, Ed. Skip it before I get kicked out and lose everything.
Who had the most damage?
Secret.
You did. Jesus Christ.
By a lot, Ed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What happened, bro? What happened there?
I don't know, man. But you shouldn't look at the end of these. Unless I died a couple times, don't do that to yourself, man. Like, don't. Oh, who got the most?
Okay, but
damage?
my minion. No. My minion damage dealt is like right on par with where you were.
No, it's not.
Yes.
Minion
It
damage
counts. Oh, never mind.
dealt.
I'm still
200
600,000 below you.
with your minion damage, you little fuck.
Shut up. Shut
Yeah.
up.
I had 3 more items than you, okay? You did have a higher damage dealt than me, like 1 shot potential.
Oh, what was yours?
26,000. You almost had double.
Damn.
I don't know what you were doing to do that, but
I don't know what I was doing. Dude, I swear I was doing pretty good.
Oh, you had 78 purchases. Alright, let's hit continue here.
Pissing and shitting.
Shit fart came.
Mm-mm.